Let's see the next one.
All right.
That one's an error, so you may want to reconsider opening now.
Yeah, so I guess Mr. Freeze got drunk and fell over.
Yeah.
But I don't think the car was like that. I think it was actually inside when we first got it.
Yeah.
But now it's an error, so I think I'll be putting this on eBay for $200. Not!
Was it when you were shaking it out of frustration that it fell out?
Yeah, because I don't want to do this because, like, the card is just like, small kind bent, right?
Oh.
So
I felt a disturbance in the force.
the force is strong with this one.
Or it's like when I go like this. Oh, you mean this corner?
So, would you like to buy this? It's just a slight damage.
It has slight bent corner.
Slight shelf wear.
Slight shelf wear.
Slight shelf. So, folks, when you see something like this, that's considered slight shelf wear to some people. Okay.
That is right. He did put that
slight shelf wear. Yeah, whatever.
Creative.
Yeah, creative, but not everybody dumb.
Yeah. Not everybody.
So that might be pretty bad.
Might have to go to therapy.
But that is slight shelf wear. I just want the people out there to be educated.
We're gonna make that clear.
We're gonna make that clear. Well, he was real clear on that. So I don't think this is flat black, but I think the other ones are satin.
Yeah. Yeah, because they had little
sheen to it. Yeah.
They had Martin.
Yeah.
Sheen.
Yes. Or Charlie.
Charlie Sheen.
But not Emilio.
No, not Emilio.
He has no sheen whatsoever.
No, he's just in Estevez.
Yeah. And just like the rest of us. All right.
Kind of cool. That actually looks more like the movie one.
Yeah, it does. It does.
I like that they did the lights. I mean, that's a small detail, but
yeah,
it's a vital detail because that car had cool. It looked cool.
Mr. Freeze. There we go.
Does it say Hot Wheels? Yeah, it does. Hot Wheels Mr. Freeze. Well, we couldn't see that earlier because the.
Oh, I mean, because he was on the side? Yeah.
Side, so.
Yeah, because, it was an error, yeah.
Now, why does Mr. Freeze get a pretty cool old car? Should get in the middle.
I don't know, yeah. Keep moving it in the side.
What kind of car is that? Anyways?
I think it's a Mercury.
Oh.
Or, yeah, I think it's a Mercury. Let's just...
49 Mercury.
It's
a Cobra car. Too much glare, I think. Because it's reflective.
What is it? Oh, it's a Malaysia. Okay.
Oh.
It's a Malaysia.
That's where that other Batmobile came from.
Yeah, that's where the other one came from. I gotta grab the sticker from this.
One.
Okay, here's a cool shot of Mr. Freeze.
You zoom that up just a little. There you go.
So see, people, when you bust this open, you actually get on sticker.
So if we painted Arnold Schwarzenegger light blue, he would look like that.
Yes. Exactly like that.
No.
Like to a T.
I wonder if that would be the same with an Annie.
Maybe. Alright, so this one I was trying to find, Killer Croc. I didn't even know this one existed. But Killer Croc, Batman.
Yeah.
I like the truck. It's chartreuse. Not flourishing yellow, chartreuse. You get that, people? You can name your kid that at some point.
That Batmobile looks very familiar.
I think they did a casting, but
it's just a
mainline casting. Different. Yeah, it's the same one, but the rims are chrome.
Yeah.
This one ain't.
And
you see the motor? Oh, yeah, see the windows are tinted.
Yeah.
This one ain't.
So it's slight difference, but
yeah,
I like that one better, I think.
This one.
Yeah, let's take that one out. I like that one because it's got the black wheels. You might want to save that card art. You know that art is pretty cool.
Yeah.
It might actually have some oil under all that dust.
Yeah, yeah, no joke, yeah. Can use that for lubricate my face. All right. Oh, wait. Check this. Okay. Now, doesn't that look like two-tone right there?
Oh yeah, it does.
Like it looks like a matted blue with gloss.
Yeah. You're talking about inside.
Yeah.
Just grab the pointer, the high-tech pointer.
Yes.
Talking about in between there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks cool. Like it is. I just bumped the other camera. Like
Yes,
it's
you see.
two-tone. It does.
Yeah.
Yeah, just grab that other one. See if they did that with the other one too.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah. Oh, but this one has a slight patina of dust.
Yeah. I think it's called patina of cat litter. Yeah.
All day patina of dust.
Right.
Take a look at this. There we go. Yeah, that is nice. Look at the paint. Like right around here. Is
Yeah.
that like a fogging?
Looks like. Guess when the guy was spraying him, he fell asleep and just.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, that does look better. Chrome.
It does,
Like
yeah.
that other Batmobile
Yeah.
had the orange.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool. So check this out.
Oh, that is nice.
That's in the bed. Killer Croc.
That almost looks like if somebody was to airbrush it on their
Yeah.
truck. Yeah, that is nice. Is that a licensed truck?
Yeah. I think this is a Chevy. Silverado, I think.
Silverado. Those wheels look out of place though.
But look at the drop on that thing.
Looks like if you get a flat tire, you're not gonna go anywhere.
Oh, yeah. So you need to know nobody gonna steal your car.
Yeah, just deflate the tire.
Oh, look at how that thing glows on the screen, yeah?
Like a fluorescent.
Yeah. Yeah. Like a fluorescent yellow. Not a chartreuse.
No. Now, if you was to say chartreuse wrong,
Chartreuse.
or it could be shit-truce. No? Chartreuse?
Shit, the truth.
You can't handle the
Truth.
chartreuse.
You're out of order. You're out of... Oh, wrong movie.
Did you order that code chartreuse?
You guys darn right I did. That's just the TV
Are we
version.
done butchering that movie?
Yeah, pretty much. But you need me on the wall. You want me on the wall. You just made a country weak.
The Mercury Cougar.
Yeah. So,
And then zoom out of that so you can get those in the shot.
there we go with that. Okay, so.
Why is it every time we do Batmobile videos, we're like almost pushing like 30 minutes?
Because we like it. That's why there's so much to talk about. That's why we like it.
Slow through 'em.
Yeah. So I gotta be careful not to cause any more, shelf damage. Okay.
Shelfware.
Shelfware, yeah, sorry. So, did we need to put words? Oh, Deadpool fell down from all that shelfware. Alright. Oh, the stupid thing came off too. Okay, just making a mess over here for you, bro. Alright.
Why is that those little white popcorn styrofoam stuff? We're good.
Now this one, gray. I don't think they came out with a mainline. I know there was a blue one and a purple one, but I don't think there was a gray one. I don't recall a mainline regular single in gray.
So this is an exclusive
I think
to
so.
the dual packs. Then.
Yeah.
Wow.
And the glass is yellow for this time.
Wow.
But those V's right there, the scalloping, it kind of actually blends in. It doesn't seem like a different color.
This one he didn't have too long out.
Yeah. He didn't have too long out. He just went. I mean, she came back, finished the car.
Oh. And I wasn't liking the casting, but I'd like after looking at them in different colors.
Oh,
I
look
think
at
it
this.
looks
So
pretty
this is not even chrome, bro.
Wow.
They should have left it chrome.
Yeah. Well, we can do that.
Yeah, now we can. Yeah.
Okay. And the last one, but not the least one.
Not the least one, no.
Probably one of Ford's worst designs for the Mercury Cougar.
Yeah. And then
Took a pretty good car and made it kind of crappy. But that's who's that?
the Scarecrow. Yeah.
Wow. Is he on his way to? Because he wants a brain.
Yeah, he was going down the yellow brick road, and then
They gave him a car and said, "Why don't you be Scarecrow?"
yeah, he gave him a car. He was like, "Better go drive, bro."
That is a gigantic wing.
Yep. Doesn't it look like a face?
Yeah. 2
eyes and a teeth over there with the eyebrows.
It looks like Bert.
Yeah, it does. It's like Bert. Okay, and last but not least, the sticker.
Yeah.
Gotta show the sticker. Dude, I'm like sweating, bro.
I know it's hot in the studio.
Yeah.
We turned down the
AC.
AC.
All right.
Turned up the humidity. That's a nice sticker.
All right, so let's see if we can do the cause.
You're gonna do a high school photo.
High school photo shoot, yeah.
What did you call it? It wasn't high school photo. It was a class photo.
Yeah, yearbook picture.
Yearbook picture. That's what.
Yeah. Gotta put the chrome one in.
Yeah, that chrome one. That looks pretty cool. Right there, yearbook photo. One. There you go. That's cool. Nice.
Okay, that's the Batmobile. Well, not all of them.
The ones in that design. Oh no, you still had the other one too.
I got this one.
Yeah. And the Bat Pod. Oh, the tumbler.
The Stumbler.
Yeah, that one deserves a side profile.
Yeah. Let's just do
Right. Yeah.
because this
Cool.
came out of that.
That's right. It did.
Yep, that's exactly what happened.
All right.
All right, so that's the Batmobiles.
And the what's it called? The pod.
The
Bat
pod. Now the bad guys. Gotta get the van in there.
Yeah. That dairy delivery.
Gotta get the
I
cat
really
in
like this. That's a Lincoln, by the way.
Yeah, Lincoln.
Continental.
Women don't like to hear that word, continental.
No. It's like a different language. And the last two. Well, they'll fit like that. Right? All right, let's close it out.
All right. Worked hard on this one, sweating. Throw this away.
Yeah.
So, I'd like to thank you all. For all the guys that made it through this whole video, you are awesome. For the guys that couldn't handle and bailed out, you okay if you watched it. If you didn't watch it because you thought it was too long, then to you, okay? Come on, you guys. Come on, take a chance in life. YOLO, bro. YOLO. YOLO. Okay? But anyway, thanks everybody for checking it out and hanging out with us. We really do appreciate it. Like, no joke. Mucho mahalos on behalf of both of us and
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Spocky next week or tomorrow.